Hi, I'm Tomaž Vajngerl. I'm a software engineer at Collabora, and I'll talk about first page header and footer interoperability. So header and footers in Writer. We have in Writer page styles which can define headers and footer for a page. And not only that, we can also define headers and footers content which is separated if the page is first, if the page is on the left side, on the page is on the right side, so like inside a book. First, we to use this we have to enable this in the page styles. By default, the same context is used for left, right, and first page, so we have to explicitly disable this so that we don't have the same contents for the left pages and for the first page. So this, for each page we can then define headers and footers, but of course we can have multiple page styles in a document. So this is the dialog where we can enable same contents for the left page, left and right pages, and same contents for the first page. So now the issue with the OXML import. OX import in LibreOffice didn't support first page headers and footers. This was because it was implemented before Writer had support for first page headers and footers, and since then we added the support for first page headers and footers, but we did not modify the OXML import itself. Of course, it was possible to still import OXML documents that has first page headers and footers defined, but in that case what it did is it imported the first page as a separate page style, and then for left and right as a separate page style. So you created a two page styles for what could be done inside one, and this is of course causes problems because the structure is not the same of the page styles, and we don't use the feature that we already have. So since then we reworked the import of the OXML document so that the first page headers and footers are supported, and we didn't want to break any existing functionality, so we have to be very careful with that. It also supports importing multiple sections. Sections in OXML are like page styles, but a lot less powerful. We can just define a new section, and then define what the headers and footers are, not all the extra stuff that are inside a page style inside LibreOffice. So each section can have first and even odd headers and footers. Even odd is just the same as left and right inside LibreOffice. This is just the terminology that is used inside OXML. It's also possible to inherit the sections, so you can have one section and then inherit from the previous section, and headers and footers will be also inherited from that. This can create quite some difficult situations that we have to take into account. In LibreOffice then we just import them as copies of the page style, but this is just, we cannot do anything about it. So this is now the results. As you can see, we successfully imported the first headers and footers in the same as left and right. This is all done inside one page style, and this is then when we have multiple sections. that are the important inside multiple styles, and you can see that this works now really good. It's quite a little bit tricky to show what was actually done here, because we don't see which page style is actually used, so I had to write this inside the actual headers itself, so that we can see that in the first we have like the default style, and when there is a first header, left right, and so on, and then at page 5 you can see that it's just custom style, and then a third style from page 10, and we still are working correctly. So this is all by me. Thank you, and